Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon everyone on a Tuesday trading. This is another bullish day. Looks like another all-time high on a Monday and seems like the bulls are completely unstoppable. I hope you had a beautiful green day and the sound is good. If there is a problem with the sound, please just let me know. And today it's going to be another interesting day as guys, yesterday we did not have too many news, but today there will be. Indeed, and not just economic news, but Powell and Trump, both of them are going to speak. So, really, really exciting times ahead. I'm just telling you the time indeed. So, at 9:45 first, we are going to get manufacturing PMI, flash services PMI, and 9:50 we will get Trump speech. Indeed, the Bitcoin traders are very much waiting for the news regarding the Bitcoin, by the way. So if you are trading coins, crypto, Bitcoin, then please just stay alerted about that President Trump's speech at 9:50. 10 o'clock, Richmond Manufacturing, FOMC member Postage speaks. 12:35 comes the Fed Chair Powell, and everyone is expecting some insight about the coming or the hopefully coming more rate cuts for the year. So this is what we have at the moment. Quite a nice start, I would say. And I hope it's going to cause some nice volatility. And it seems like that the bulls is just not a question whether we are going to get higher or not, but the question how much higher are we going to do or go at this time. As you can see, triple Q it's pushing higher, not too much though. Hi Brian, hi Andy, hi Steve C. Clifton, nice to see you. If I'm just checking the SPY looks like a little bit muted, but definitely still wants to push higher. Incredible results from the market. On the international news, let's see what did happen. Taiwan stocks just got for new all-time highs. NVIDIA and OpenAI, as you could see, NVIDIA was the one which was just rocketing like crazy yesterday on that deal or news. And even Apple was very strong. Let's see what is next on the unexpected news on the market. Well, Chinese EV giant BYD says it has a backup plan if it's cut off from NVIDIA chips. As you know, the Xi Trump speaking or the talks, it's still going on. And as far as I've seen, maybe they got postponed because of this trade or a TikTok deal. It's not going to be that easy indeed. US and global growth forecast lifted by OECD as economists surprised to the upside. So seems like everything is rosy and shiny. Well, let's see for how long because we are starting to be really, really stretched indeed. We have some big movers on the way like Firefly Aerospace. AutoZone, Canvas still on the news because of the Tylenol problem, as you know. And so far, if I'm just checking the market watch and Europe, it's quite mixed. DAX is down. Asia, as I've told you, especially the Taiwan stocks are higher together with the Nikkei, but the Hang Seng is moving lower, and the futures are red, especially the Dow Jones, by the way. Crypto is pulling back before the Trump speech, which is going to happen in less than an hour. Hi, Anne. Good morning to you. Nice to see you here. So, guys, let's see what else in the news. If you have any questions or any candidates, which I've seen Steve C already posted with Tesla, KVUE, Canva again. Yes, definitely it's on my list as well. CLSK and SLE all long. Thank you very much. And as I see, Scott is on early bird today as well. He just called the stocks there. Fly, Azo, NVIDIA, Apple to the short side. Well, Apple and NVIDIA is definitely a little bit too much stretched yesterday. And today they do not look like that strong. However, you know what happened yesterday. It can can be a rinse and repeat. NVDA is slowly pulling back, but a very strong day yesterday. Apple is the same. Apple has not reached the all-time high yet, as you can see, but it was very close. So if we get more push to the upside, I think we can easily see a highs actually, like maybe even new all-time highs on both of the stocks, and of course the market. What else indeed? So this is what we have at the moment. Indeed, again, traders 9:455, 9:50, 10 o'clock, 12:35, all of economic news and speeches. The most important speakers, President Trump 9:50, and Fed Chair Powell speaks at 12:35. And of course, we have some movers, as I already indicated. Firefly is here. Firefly Aerospace, 10% lower after posting its first quarterly report since going public last month. And that was not the best numbers, definitely, because Fly is not flying anymore. It's just going lower. I'm just going to get it open for the test traders. Just a second. Here we are. Just a second, guys. Okay. All right, guys, here we are. AutoZone is the next one. So Fly, it's not flying, but rather sinking. So let's just put it on my short list. I'm just starting my list. To the long side, let's see what else is coming. MU is ready for the earnings after market close. So I think we definitely should watch it. Okay. All right. AutoZone is here. It fell 2% after its gross profits, and earnings per share came in below the expectations, the Wall Street expectations. That's definitely not the best news for ASO. Let's see how does it look like. Okay, it's not tradable. I know the reason. It's a quite of a low volume stock. Okay, so just a sec, because it can be quite of a low volume stock, so be careful with that. But because of the bad news, we can just put it on the short list. Next one in the row, we still have some Canva, as you just mentioned. It just bounced back 4% in pre-market trading, recouping some of its losses, like recovering a bit from the prior session when it just slid 7% after the Trump administration, as you know, drew an unproven link between autism and the Tylenol during pregnancy. So that's still not sure that this is causing it, but so far seems like that this can be still quite of under a pressure. However, it's just flying nicely. So KEVUE can be on our long list. However, I'm going to be careful with that one. Oh, Boeing on the news, guys. Aerospace manufacturing 2% higher after Bloomberg reported that the U.S. ambassador to China, David Perdue, said US and China are in the final stages of a huge deal for the Boeing aircraft. This can just definitely lift BA to the other direction, and at this moment it can be like a nice long, especially if it's going over this 220 level. First 218 or 19, I would say 218, 219, because this is a consolidation high here on the daily. If it can break this consolidation higher, which it just has done already. She just done it before the market open in the pre-market. As you can see, it was a nice spike, but we need a little bit more push and more volume to see BA flying, but definitely BA looks like as a great long sentiment here on the news. Microns here gained 0.8 ahead of the earnings. As I've told you, it's just going to set release after the market close. That means that MU is on my radar. I'm going to put it on the long side, but who knows on that crazy market, right? Hi, Tara. Good morning to you. Good afternoon, to be precise. Nice to see you. Andy, thank you. You're looking Iron, IONQ, QUBT, QBTS, RGTI, all of the nuke stocks. Okay. CLSK, Holo, APLD. Thank you very much. And Open and OKLO definitely on my secondary list as well. There is no doubt. OKLO and even RGTI and IONQ. I'm going to check it. You are very much right. We need them to the secondary list at least because these lower pay stocks are just moving big time nowadays. NVIDIA is here again, edge down 1%, giving back some of this crazy profit of yesterday, 4%. It just went up because of the news that it would invest $100 billion into OpenAI. Under the agreement, by the way, OpenAI will build and deploy systems using NVIDIA's graphics processing units. So it seems like NVIDIA is still on the list. However, it's pulling back. And if Trump is not going to say something extremely good we need, I would say, to push this market further, or maybe for this market it's enough if you're not going to say anything bad. I don't know, guys. But so far it is so bullish. So Trump needs to watch what he's telling at 9:50 or talking about at 9:50 for sure. NVIDIA, I'm going to put it to the short side because it's pulling back, but I'm going to be on the edge with that stock. Definitely just the same like Apple. It is slipping a little bit more than 0.40% after a 4% big day on iPhone 17 release. Monday, Apple shares turned positive on the year, by the way. So Apple is going to be on my list too. But at the moment, if the market continues pulling back a bit more, then I'm going to watch it for a short. But at the moment, the markets are very much muted, at least in the pre-market. Traders, that's it. Not too many news on the stocks today. But if I'm just checking my list, I see Sound is going like crazy. So I'm going to watch it for an intraday trade. And PLT or SMCI, mRNA, and Tesla are quite strong. And these I'm going to watch as well to the long side. PLT or SMCI and Tesla. mRNA, I don't like it too much, but let's see. And don't forget Oracle. Oracle was another stock yesterday which just made a home run, actually, a huge reversal, and seems like that might is going to push even higher, especially if it's able to break the $330 level, traders. In this case, I'm going to put Oracle to the long side. On the weak side, I see, for example, NVIDIA, as I mentioned, you read it again, which was at the end a beautiful short under 257. I hope you used it and traded it. We were talking about this whole day long, I mean whole morning long, and I did not take it, but that was like a great call under 257. Hi, Buzak, nice to see you. Yes, Amir is going to join soon as well. So traders, to the short side again, I'm going to just check Reddit as well. Indeed. And if I just checking my favorite tool, which is the gainers and losers list, actually, I'm going to get something nice here. OKLO, for example, pulling back 2.85%. BE, Bloom Energy, look at that. Quite of a big drop, very extended. It's going to be on my list as an extended stock profit taking on the short list. OKLO, VST, both of them are just pushing down a lot, as you can see. So OKLO on my secondary list anyway. VST, as I mentioned, you Baidu, it's just cooling down a little bit. The reason for that, as I've told you, the Hang Seng, it's quite weak too, and looks like as yesterday it was like a beautiful red day at the end. So Baidu can be on our let's call it like profit-taking picks. And I just wanted to check a VST. Today maybe good stocks, BTR. Oh yes, that was completely crazy yesterday, and thank you to remind me, because actually I called it on the Discord and the Facebook for the favorite stocks. But here I forgot. Indeed, traders, if you would like to join us on the Discord, please just make sure that you just get the link here. Just a second, I'm going to get the link. So if you would like to our fantastic new Discord channel, then please get this link. Here we are. So this is our Discord channel. I just posting it in the VIP room as well. And I pin it so you can just see it at any time. And one more thing, guys, I've just started my personal traders Facebook profile. Listen, it's not a new thing. If you know me for years, you know exactly I had one, but unfortunately, I got a really nasty hack indeed, like 1 year ago, and I've lost everyone and everything. And now I just really just decided to restart it. So if you would like to join my personal trader profile on Facebook, here I am. So I'm more than happy to see you there. I'm just, ready to post some interesting news per day and plus, of course, trades and so on. So if you want, please just click on the join button or get as a friend request. Okay, guys, so here we are. I have the list for today. I think not too many, but I would say it's enough. And I just lost it because I posted. Clifton, I don't know why this is doing like that actually. Oh, DVG just got the news today, so that's good. Okay, so again, I need to do my list again. I can't believe it. Okay, to the long side. I'm going to get KVUE, Help me, guys, if you still remember on my longs. I was mentioning to you actually even not just MU, but SMCI and Sound. I'm going to watch, especially SMCI. It's a little bit extended to the downside. To the short side, we definitely have AZO and Fly from the news, plus NVDA, Apple, and I'm going to watch Reddit and Roblox too. And on the secondary list, lots of the RGTI, OKLO, BETR as well. VST, I've just seen as a pullback BE and maybe BBA. I'm going to watch too. Okay, I have my list. Sorry for that little glitch. I'm just going to post it. So traders, VIP room traders, especially because I'm going to stay with the YouTube traders as always. Have a beautiful green day with Scott and DVG. Thank you very much for your support as always. And be aware, 9:50 and 12:35. These are going to be the big moments of the day. Good luck, everyone. Bye. Okay, guys, here we are. And girls. So, well, let's see what's going to happen today. If I would have a guess, might this is another all-time high on the market? Who knows? But so far, seems like, guys, that nothing just it really, I cannot name anything which could just stop this market. It's just insane. It's just jumping like crazy on every small good news, and it's just ignoring every bad news. So I would say there is nothing else left, just up, 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 and away in my opinion. But let's see what's coming next. Really, I'm going to stay open-minded. Yesterday, by the way, lots of traders thought, including me, including DVG, that might we will have the first red pullback day on the market. No, it was not at all. It started to look like that, but of course the bear trap just was formed perfectly, and at the end it was like a huge bullish day. Thanks to the NVDA news, by the way, and the Apple news. In the beginning, this just turned back the red move to a green move on the market. First of all, second, NVDA news with this OpenAI, it was a crazy one. It was just an amazing trigger for the bulls. But guys, in the meantime, here is Amir. Hi, Amir. I'm just going to get you to the guys in a second, and we can start trading together. That's fantastic. Hi, I'm okay. How are you doing? Hope you had a beautiful day. Ah, yes, I found a good dentist. Thank you. It was not hard to find a good one here, so that's good. Yeah. No, it was not expensive at all,
You
indeed.
see, Agi, good surprises one by another.
Yeah, and I think you can be heard by the
Okay, by the
guys.
guys. Hi,
Mm-hmm.
guys. Sound check. Felipe, Luis, the Swiss girl. Do you hear me, guys?
Okay.
Yes. Good. Thank you. Hey,
Thank you,
Andro.
Andrew.
You too.
Luis, don't worry. I just wrote to my colleagues that we need Azofly and even Blake asked me HE yesterday, so I'm going to make this happen. Hola. Huh?
Okay.
Okay.
What are you looking today? Yeah, I see what you have. Okay.
NVDA, Apple, definitely. They were just like crazy yesterday. Um, and
Yeah.
who knows? I guess another green day. What else, right? It's just this market.
I'm
It's
watching. I'm
beyond
gonna give
insane.
you. Yeah. Gonna watch CLSK.
Hmm.
I'm gonna watch MU has earning
Oh yeah,
today, and it's going pretty well. I want to go open,
open. Hmm.
and yeah, even for the
Okay,
short
hello.
side
How
and
about
Tesla.
okay,
Yeah.
hello? Hmm.
Okay. Hello. Yeah, and of
Just
course Nvidia also. And
pushing
but
back a
again,
bit.
I have to minimize for the beginning, few because
Yeah. We need to concentrate on the
Aggie, did
ones.
they saw why I can't share things with the guys and they can see
They
it?
are on
Because
it. They are on it.
oh, on it. Okay,
Yeah.
guys.
Hopefully
So I'm
for
not
Thursday we can
invisible, guys.
solve it.
Yeah, I'm not
Okay.
invisible, guys. There's
No, you are not. You are not.
okay.
Okay. So we are slightly green with the market. No, now it's red. Triple Q is green. And 9:50 Trump is speaking. I'm
And
not happy.
if you want to watch also a small cap that it's pretty BBAI. Lot of things all
Mm-hmm.
the time happen. So
Yeah,
definitely watch BBAI.
agree.
It's a small cap, but it moves like a big cap. Like some of the small cap are behave like since there's no
And some
institutional
fund.
and
Mm-hmm.
yeah. Oh, I forgot. You see them? I see it. You can see. Ah, you don't see my screen.
Mm.
Another one for the opening is IO and Q, guys.
Oh, IUNQ, yeah.
Yeah,
OVJet, it's on my chart too.
yeah, yeah. Last time we've been here on Thursday, we did an amazing trade on Rigetti.
You
And
get,
this is what I
mm-hmm.
wanted to share with you. I posted on, I have a channel. From time to time, I'm doing some stuff. So on Friday, and this is a process, you have to think sometimes, yeah, it's not creative so much. It's like common sense. What I did is after the beautiful regalia, I was watching the quantum, and one that I didn't see that broke the high, blah blah blah, was QUBT. So I was focusing on
Oh,
on Friday. I was trading. It almost was one trade like we did on Rigetti. There was a big move. There was
mm,
a retracement to the VWAP, and so sometimes definitely it's not that you can imagine. You definitely can see what can happen and prepare for that. And those things, if it's pretty reasonable, those things can happen. So that was
oh,
like the second day in the sector, like in different stocks. So sometimes, second day. And after that, I was watching, Rigetti, you could trade Friday from the high. Again, did exactly also big move. But I don't know, there's so many opportunities. That's the key sometimes. So many, and you have to be eliminate to find the white, and that's it.
yeah,
So
you're right.
lots of
All
opportunities,
right.
Agi, correct?
Yes, as always,
Yeah,
as
but
always.
sometimes, from many trees you can see the forest, and
Yes,
sometimes you have to pick a fine,
I know.
reasonable tree and just, hanging around it. And
Exactly.
that's sometimes
Exactly.
the key, the mystery, to find the right tree. Yeah,
Hmm. Try it every day. Okay.
yeah, yeah,
Just get my coffee. I will be back in some minutes. Okay.
yeah, no problem. So that's the process. Sometimes that's what I'm doing at the beginning, before. You have to minimize to really few, learn the level, learn, and when the market started, you focusing on them and try to do not, going from side to side, and then you're all over. And it's happened to me also sometimes. Definitely, I can't tell you that every day I'm sharp like a knife. Sometimes I'm like a spoon, not sharp, nothing. So hey, son, what's going on? Another day. Yeah, Haksama, we have a holiday the next 2 days, and better try to take vacation from the holiday and trade. Which stock are you watching, guys? Luis, Andrew, where is the king? Tara, what are you watching? Ah, it's SRK. I think left through last week it was appearing somewhere. SRK. Yeah, it's a good candidate. Let me see something on the daily. Yeah, wow. If it's breaking 2960, which you actually broke, yeah, 2830. It's a good candidate. You have to remind me about this. It's good, but I have my own. Let me see just another thing about SRK. It's a good candidate, Luis. Very nice. SRK. Wow. Lots of shorts, lots of institutional. $2.80. Oh, yeah, Luis, it's a good candidate, really. So remind us, it's the Tara. What are you watching? CIFR. CIFR. Yeah, definitely good volume, Tara. Wow, very nice daily. Wow. Yeah. Okay, focus on them. If it's yours and you learn them, definitely it's good. I see they are good candidates. Buzen, BETR. Very nice, guys. You have good selections, really. Good volume. Buzer, look at the spreads. I don't like so much for the op. After that, I don't have problem, but this is pretty good, big spreads. Sometimes it's very difficult to trade it at the open. Be aware of that. Okay. Yeah, BBA, I saw it. Charlie. Hi, Charlie. Good morning. Okay, guys. Yeah, CRWV. Humble. Yeah, I saw it, but it's on my second list because I have too much. Yeah, I saw it. Reddit, Andrew, share it with Agi. It's one of their favorite. MU, you
Yes.
can share it with me and the fly. FLY, what is FLY? That will be the last one.
It was
Not a lot of volume, not a
bad
lot of
news,
volume.
yes.
So yeah, ignore it. At least for now. But guys, good candidate, really good.
Amazon
Amazon.
short. Oh, we just started in the meantime. Good luck, everyone. Actually, yesterday the triple Q was grinding higher on Apple, Oracle, and NVDA because everything else went down. It's quite funny. Okay, Tesla is up again. Apple, that's a beast.
Tesla. MU.
I'm wondering on Google as well. I'm going to watch Google today too. Reddit. Yeah, Alex on it on my list as well. It's just crazy strong now. Nice breakout. BA pushing higher too. Okay. OGTI. Ooh, OGTI, that's a crazy one. Look at that, how strong it is. Okay. Reddit. Reddit looks good, but too much. Oh. Okay, at the moment I cannot see anything which I would see. Maybe Tesla. Hmm.
Yeah, I'm watching also Tesla. I just
Mm-hmm.
don't know if it's.
Mm. Open, it's pulling down. SPY is going higher. I guess triple Q is going to continue as well higher from here. Oracle. Okay. So far market, it's a little bit like unknown. Ah, this Oklo looks like so good under 137 for a short. But look at the daily. Am I so brave to short a stock like that? It's crazy. Mm. I think I'm going to try it for a lower share size and just for a scalp 137 on the OKLO.
I'm watching Tesla getting
Mm.
exactly to the low of the pre. Above 436.50, I want to buy half position. My stop gonna be $1. The
Mm.
low of this candle. Okay, so 436.50. I'm there, half position. Okay. Stop is pretty obvious. Got to the low of the pre. If it's breaking the low of this candle, out.
Mm-hmm.
Open, broke the low, but I want to see if it can bounce and then I want to get in. I want the second time it's going. So I'm half position in Tesla. Dollar stop. And I'm out.
Mm.
No. Yeah.
I mean OKLO, QBTS you are watching, Tara? And Oracle from John. Yeah, Oracle looks interesting. QBTS, wow, it's a bit crazy. Watching BA for a possible reversal as well, traders. However, it's still on my ban list, but looks quite interesting. OKLO, I want to take a partial around 134, 135. SPY, of course, pushing higher. Triple Q is not that strong today, though. It's surprising, I would say. And yeah, 10460, my call on TQQQ. Just for a quick 20 cents, guys, as always. I mean, and let's go for 10440. Oh, no, I'm not. Yes, I mean, sorry. I mean, Meta is pushing down. Look at that. BA is strong. Apple is strong again. Can't believe this stock. Qubit, yes, it's really going down, Tara, at the moment, even Oracle. Watch out, traders, 10 more cents to take the TQQQ here. Okay, hello, beautiful. Oh my God, thank you. Okay, hello, taking my first partial traders, 75% out. Okay, hello, and here is coming soon the TQQQ. Okay. Nice trade on OKLO. As you can see, I took my first partial here around 133. And traders, here comes TQQQ. I missed the partial on TQQQ because of the OKLO. Okay. SMCI is down. All right, traders, here we go. TQQQ taking 75% off. Nice. And I'm going to move my stop loss on TQQQ over 104.60 and just let it run. Oklo is still running. 130 is going to be my next partial. Thank you, John. Okay, low was like a really perfect gap and go. However, I entered a little bit too late, unfortunately. Watch out on TQQQ. Of course, it's just making the good old bear trap because the SPY is still pushing up. Look at that, Amir. SPY just it's not able to give up. Unbelievable.
Yeah, there's no correlation. Look at AMD, what's going on though.
AMD?
Yeah.
Not on my list today. Maybe I'm going to change SMCI to AMD. It's better. Ooh,
Guys,
wow.
I'm watching open. Um, right now my trigger under 770 and stop gonna be 11 cents, guys. Okay, I'm in 11 cents.
PLTR Buzak, I'm just going to check it soon.
And 166.50. I want to do MU, sorry, 166.50, and I'm gonna give it not more than 50 cents. Okay, sorry for the. Let me see if I can write you. I don't know if you can see me. MU over 166.50, 50 cents. Do you see what I posted, guys?
Yes, I do see.
I want to see if they can see.
You are the
You all,
first king in lilac with a lilac crown,
yeah, I
by the
see
way.
it. But for some reason, last time they didn't see some stuff.
Tara can see. That's good.
Tara can see. Okay, yeah, we
Good.
can see. Thank you. Okay, MU. Okay, exactly. Nice. This is a nice bar. We need to break the 167. Okay.
Amir looks really good, Amir.
You see, I came back to MU. Let's
Yeah.
talk after the partial. Okay, after the
Yeah, I'm
partial.
not talking anything about
Yeah.
Amir.
You see?
Market is still
Yeah.
fighting, guys. I'm almost out on TQQQ. I still give a little chance, but SPY shows a strength again. I still keep my eyes on BA 217, indeed. Tesla looks like a bear flag, by the way. Nice TQQQ. Move, move, move.
Still in open. I stop above 784 because that candle is exactly on the view up. So I have to wait. I have to wait. So instead of 83, I'm giving another 3 cents, which is not so much. But when you have this area, you have to. MU, I'm watching to see if we can break 167. Looks good. And we have tons of plays.
I'm adding to TQQQ. I feel like this can be the day. Okay, hello, still okay, but on the entry, I'm going to be out. Interesting market so far.
Okay, MU. I want to see 67. I want to see if we can get to. I'm not exaggerate. I'm watching the 150, the 170. Sorry, I want to see. Again, we have today the earning. It's yesterday high. Let me see. Yesterday high was 67.22, and then we have a gap that will be closed around 169ish. So that's I want to see the power of that of this current candle. Um, Open, I'm out. I'm still watching it for second chance. Okay, second chance MU. Sorry, open
Open.
775, 14 cent stop. MU. Open. Amir, relax with MU.
Okay,
Okay.
VA is not moving. Traders, I'm going to add TQQQ under 104, and second partial OKLO is going to be around 130.
What about the SMR, Aggie? Let's see what's
Which
going
one?
on with SMR.
SMR? Checking.
Yeah, just because it's the
New
sister
skill.
of
Yeah.
the Oklo.
Mm.
Let's see.
That's down too.
Yeah.
Pretty down, indeed. Okay. This is the biggest bad trap of the year, guys, or we are going to see a reversal now. I don't know yet. I think Trump will
Okay,
decide.
guys, we broke the high. We're almost at the high with MU, 60, 70 cents, but I want to take it for more. Yeah, that's looks like the volume is coming in and
Hmm.
everything is there.
Yeah, looks interesting.
We have a
And
new high, but barely, and then we are correcting. But let's see.
Amir, I missed
Yeah.
Reddit. I missed
Oh.
Reddit.
So go to
Can't
Roblox,
believe.
Aggie. It's the same. So probably you can make the money there, Aggie.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Low
Aggie. I have to
volume on
say,
Roblox.
I'm
Wow.
addicted, and I'm addicted to Reddit and
Me too.
Reddit and Roblox. Yeah. There was a guy here that was mentioned Reddit.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, yeah. I think I want,
Mm.
guys, I want to start build half position Tesla 437. My stop gonna be right now a little bit more than a point. Okay, so I'm starting half position 437 with Tesla. Okay, open. We have almost 10 cents again. It's a big size, there was like 14. Low of the day 758. Okay, now
Mhm.
how I'm gonna go into this one. There was a spike that got to around 7, so we have some resistance around 750 probably, and after that, hopefully, sky will fall.
Let's
Hopefully.
see. NVIDIA broke 180. Wow. Apple Dow is bouncing.
Okay, open. Second chance. We have 1 to 1. I want to give it a chance to break the low. The low is 758, 750. And what you saw right now, it's happened. I had to stop. I had to go out of the stop because who knows, with open, there could be buyers that above the view up, it could go to 8 something and then I'm fucked up, really, because it's a small stop and then, so definitely you have to respect, and definitely if you see immediately that that's not happen and you see a beautiful reversal on the view up, definitely you have to do it. You don't care that you lost the first one, really.
Yeah.
So, okay, Tesla. I mean, okay, where do I think to add? Because I have position. Uh, I don't know.
Hmm?
I don't know yet. But I'm gonna give it a space. Like the high of the day is 441, which was probably the high. It's the high of the pre-market, and so you see when you trade, you have to not memorize. You have to sing the numbers because you're aware, and then you're not surprised, and then you know what to do, and then blah blah blah. Okay, open. Open broke this. Open got exactly to did the double bottom. 758. Okay, now I want to see that we can. Okay, yeah, we broke the low in open. Still full position. It's a lot of shares. 750. If I see something there that we're not breaking, I'm gonna take the partial there. Again, we didn't have a big stop, like 14 cents.
Hmm.
So second chain. Okay, we're getting to there. 753. Tesla. Wow, Tesla 2 points, guys. Yeah,
Yeah.
half position, but it's 2 points. It's good. Good.
I'm in with you
Yeah, okay.
in that
Okay.
one. And traders,
Yeah.
I'm going to be out 136.30 like now from the OKR low, just getting some more profit taking.
MU. MU will get into a dollar. You see, guys, I started the position today. I think I had a half, 1.5 losses. So what? Nothing happened. You go out, you continue, you're not panic, and that's it. And now all the trades are going pretty well. MU, good, more than a point, really good. Yeah, yeah, 167. Okay, we are in the gap. Now we know that 169, 169. I want to go to see the partial there. Tesla looks good. Yeah. I'm watching also the AMD. 160, 150. I like that area. If we're gonna do it, I'm watching it. It's gonna be 160, 150, 50 cent stop, guys. AMD. Okay, 160, 150. Let the bid go above and then get in. MU looking good. I want to see if we can break 168.
Oracle is very weak today. Look at that.
I wonder
Hmm.
why. No, really. Everything is
Yeah,
going well there, huh?
but
Earning,
I don't
TikTok.
know. Like yesterday as well, Apple, Nvidia, Oracle went up and everything else to the downside. So that was quite interesting. Okay, I'm still holding my TQQQ only traders. I'm out of the OKLO, 136.30. And here comes Trump's speech, guys, like now, actually.
AMD, guys. 61.50, 50 cent stop. Okay, open. I want to give it a chance. If not, like a few cents, and I'm going to take the first partial. Still pressure here. Again, that's the time you just watch the level two. You want to see it's 1 cent spread. It's not big deal. 755.
Okay, here we go. SPY's trying to push back to the highs of the day. PRTR, it's very strong now. Buzak, you were asking it for a short, which was working quite good under 184, but now PRTR, it's just moving to the highs two together with the SPY, but the triple Q, it's still looking weak for me. So I'm still keeping my TQQQ. Stop loss on the TQQQ traders, it's going to be over 104.50.
It was a little bit more than $1, Buzak. I said like it was 140, 135, 70, 80, something like this. $1.20. Yeah, I said it.
Mm. Okay.
Yeah, two, two stocks that was on my radar and I didn't pay attention. BBAI, there was a good opportunity, and CLSK. Yeah, CLSK didn't a big mover, but it still did it. Um, 74. I want to take IO and Q, guys. Over
Mm.
74, 80 cents stop. Let me write it to you. IO and Q, 74, 80 cents
Ooh,
stop.
I like that
Yeah.
IONQ. Yep, I'm going to go with you. Looks good. Humble Ninja watching BLSH. Ooh, that's a strong one
Ah,
too.
BLSH is the IPO from a few weeks ago, no? I
Yeah,
remember
it
it
is.
was on my radar like for a swing.
Mm,
Yeah, exactly.
looks good.
Yeah. Look, guys, put the BLSH on the daily. Like there's so much. The high of the first day was 116, guys. We are now 73. This is definitely a stock you need to put on your radar.
Yeah,
On the daily, there was a good area, 70. Yeah, really good candidate. Yeah.
looks really good.
And write yourself even 85. If it's breaking 85 on the daily, it's like there is a lot of space there. So
Okay.
good candidate. Thank you.
Okay, market is struggling a bit, especially the triple Q. Oh, Roblox. Okay, Amir,
I told you,
I'm
Agi.
just
No,
devastated. I miss Roblox. I miss Reddit.
I told you after Reddit, go to
No,
Roblox. Agi, I told you without
no.
even watching the chart. I know the way you're thinking,
Oh
Agi.
my goodness.
Okay, guys, we
Okay.
have like $1.60 in MU. I didn't take a partial yet. I want to wait for the 169. The volume is coming. It looks beautiful. In 5 minutes, watch MU. That's good. Um, Tesla. Look like Tesla.
As always.
Yeah. No, not at all. Sometimes, it's very technical.
I would say most of
And
the time.
okay, this is why I feel comfortable. I'm half
Yeah,
position,
it's true.
and you know why, guys? If it's breaking now the 437, I'm putting a full position, and my stop gonna be $1.20, the same as the first trade. Yeah, if it's breaking now the 437, full position.
Okay. I'm ready to add to TQQQ traders. SPY pulling back, triple Q breaking the lows. 103.95 is going to be my adding point on the TQQQ. And I'm looking for like at least 50 cents. Apple is bouncing back. Nvidia is still weak. I'm watching Rigetti too, or GTI. Amazing how strong it is. Wow. Okay. I'm checking the news because we got Trump speech and 10
He's not
o'clock.
taking. He didn't start to speak
It
yet.
did not start. Yeah, I am just
No, no.
watching that.
Yeah,
No,
yeah, yeah.
no reactions. So what's
No, no.
happening? Yeah, I cannot see in the news at all.
Okay, guys. So Tesla, 37 full position. I like it. I like what I see now. It's going. It's good support of the 9, and yeah. Amir.
Just watching what the Bitcoin is doing. I think Bitcoin is going to be on firework during Trump's speech. It's quite muted now, around this 113K. Nvidia is sitting on 180, Apple bouncing over the VWAP. But SPY is still strong. SPY is still quite strong, my opinion. Ooh, Soundhound, wow. Still going. Okay. Seems like SPY and Triple Q are waiting for something. Maybe Trump, I don't know.
Oh, the Q look weak. The SPY is
Yes.
not fixed on himself. The Q looks. The QQQ looks weak.
I added to TQQQ. Let's go for 103.50 for the first partial at least. Here comes Triple Q with the 600 soon, hopefully.
Okay, IO and Q, not relevant to trade. We got exactly 74 and then break the VWAP and the 9. So I'm gonna watch it, but not relevant. Ah, BBI, yeah. Why?
Okay, one more minute till the economic news coming. Okay, let's see. 10 o'clock, we got Richmond Manufacturing Index and FOMC member Bostich speaks, maybe together with Trump. Okay, so far, still no decision on the market. That's a very, very interesting market today, guys. Okay, my TQQQ is printing.
Yeah, open still on. Yeah, open is okay. It took a partial a little bit less than I wanted. I'm still there. The stop is the same place, above 790. It's again around the view up. It's in the channel. Yeah, we knew exactly. It's testing the pre of the some of the area, double, triple bottom, and it didn't succeed to rise. So we need to see if we can break 750. And you know what? If it's gonna break 750, I'm gonna add even more. Yeah, that's gonna be my strategy there. Right now it's in the channel, so it's fine.
Okay.
Tesla, guys, really good. It's a full position. Immediately did a little bit more than a point on the ad. Previously high 439 area. If we get there, some problem, we're not going to break clearly. That's the area for the partial for me. Okay.
Mm. Market is bouncing. Be careful with TQQQ traders. I'm going to bounce over 10450. This is my average price now, so it's okay.
Except that I'm waiting because right now the SPY is exactly in channel.
Yeah, yeah, it's
One, two, three,
completely
four, five,
muted.
six, seven. Yeah. So
So ugly. That's why I was hoping, something is just going to have an impact on it, but so far nothing, actually. Trump has started speaking at all?
I don't know.
Me neither. Just cannot find any news. Oh, this market is acting really. Trump says no meeting with top Democrats on shutdown could possibly be productive. Oh yeah, because here comes the government shutdown as well, like next week, right? Hmm. Yeah, Humble Ninja, I see BBAI. AMD, all over the place, unfortunately, until the market is not going to decide. And on the market now, I mean SPY, because the triple Q so far decided to go lower, but the SPY is not giving up, guys. It's just not giving up at all. Okay, let me just check the Richmond Manufacturing Index. Cannot see the numbers. Why? Tentative. Why? It was like 10 o'clock. And now it's tentative. That's weird. Okay. Maybe we are going to see that until 12:35 or until Trump is going to speak. I don't know, but SPY is muted. SPY is quite muted. 10440 is now my hard stop loss on the TQQQ. How about BA? Ooh, BA, I missed the reversal. Okay, CVX. Baba is strong. Humana. I don't like this stock. Oil stocks are strong. Oh, SPY broke. SPY did break. At least for a second. Now maybe the buyer is going to show up again, huh? PATR bear flag. Reddit. Okay. This is the chance for the market to make a reversal, in my opinion. 104.35 is my hard stop loss now on the TQQQ. 104.35. The SPY still doesn't want to break down. That's weird. Rigetti not doing too much either. SPRT. Oof, Amazon 2% down. Oh my goodness, Amazon was beautiful. And one of you just copied, guys.
Alex said
Yes,
that. I remember.
I hope you were in.
Now
That's
let's see that
perfect.
Alex did it. If not Alex, we're going. I'm going to send Scott. He's from Florida to actually give you a visit. Okay? Oh, Clifton. Clifton is much more
Oh
terrified, I
my
think.
goodness.
Yeah, I'm
Oh
going to
yeah,
send you.
definitely. Oh
Yeah,
my
that
God, he's
is
such a nice, humble man, to tell the truth.
exactly. He's the guy that will come to collect the money. Yeah, that's the face for that.
Oh my God.
Okay, guys. Now there is some. I need to read what, but um, this is a trigger. Sound. What I want to do above sound is above 40.40. I want to take half position, 20 cent stop, and then add over the high. I need to read to see what's going on there, but I'm just watching and definitely what's going on in sound. Red Lobster partners with Sound Hold AI. Okay, if it's written AI, it's fine. We
Yeah, it's
Sound
a
Hold
small
AI
AI
to
store.
power phone ordering across all locations. Red Lobster. I thought like Red Lobster is the name of a restaurant, no?
Yeah, it sounds like.
Partner with sound in order sound AI voiced eye technology. Oh, maybe in the restaurant, the voice instead of
Yes.
people. Yeah, yeah. Okay, guys.
John says it
1840,
is.
20 cents, and then over the high. Woohoo, guys. MU. 2 points.
Beautiful.
169
So
is the area for the partial, guys. I hold it. I knew.
now it's just a love relationship. Hate is staying behind.
Not love, it's like it was good, and in some point, you trade so much in one stock, so you fall in love, and then everything, it's blowing away. So definitely there was good technical area there.
Yeah,
Open. Again, open, guys. It doesn't succeed. It's still doing. Agi, can you put? I don't know if it's 5 minutes. It shows. Can you put open in 2 minutes on the chart? Oh, they
sure.
see it on my chart. They see it on my chart. Yeah. So you can see I'm starting to see here a lower high, which I love it. So if we are breaking here the 750, I'm definitely going to add. Stop going to be right now. I want to see the high of the candle. I want to see it immediately. If not, I'm reducing. But
Good.
I took a partial, but definitely I'm starting to see here a lower high. And yeah, what about Stressler? Stressler? Okay, sound, guys. I have position over the high. Let's say the boom chokalak. The daily looks good in sound. The next area, let's see, where is it? Think. Yeah, wow, we have a lot of space there in sound. Yeah. Okay. I didn't see the bid going, so I'm still half position. I'm not full position there. Look what a beautiful candle in MU. Really. MU, that's a candle. Look at this. This is a candle of 500,000 shares. Look at this. Higher low, higher low. And this is even before the 9 is even crossing the VWAP, which is usually really good. On the 2 minutes we did it, on the 5 we didn't yet. What's the high here? 68, 65. Okay.
Okay, I think President Trump is speaking now. President Trump addresses the 80th session of the
Oh,
UN General
guys,
Assembly.
I have something here. Small stop, but I think we have to scalp it. Like there's a really good formation here. Look at the CLSK. So 4090 and stop gonna be like 13 cents. Okay, that's the area. 4090 and we have like a 30 cents to the high. So it's almost 1 to 2.5. And if we break the high, there is a good momentum to the CLSK. The relevant volume is pretty strong. Let me see what's the relevant right now. But that's my trigger over 4090. Yeah, definitely the relevant volume today towards 5. Okay, CLSK, exactly what you want to see. Very nice candle.
Nice.
I'm watching MU. I'm throwing an order in MU before 69. And oh yeah, look at CLSK, guys. This is sizing.
Wow.
If you size to 13 cents, right now you are more than double. Exactly, that's the high here. If we're not breaking it, boom, scalp partial. 14, 18, under 16. I'm gonna take a partial. Oh, it's still holding. CLSK and sound, guys. Everything happened, guys. Lot
Nice.
of things happen, yeah. I want to put just a second. CLSK. Yeah, took a partial CLSK. I took even 3/4. I took a lot of shares there. Okay. Sound, full position. Good. Sound. Let's see how it's going to develop. Wow, this is a really good candle in CLSK. Really
Yeah,
nice.
looks good.
Sometimes the trades can be really fast. If you size it, let's say, 13, jeopardize, let's see, $100, you have like a 700 shares. Around here, you have like 200 and something, like pretty fast. That's the nice to do it sometimes scalping. Get here, I don't know if it's going to continue, take a partial, move on. MU. Definitely we are fighting today, but it's a good fight, there's a
Yeah.
good triggers, and you should not be afraid to fight. You're using your head, it's excitement, it demand you to think, and you see, that was a good area to take the partial. You see, not only Amir and you took it. Now it's a little bit retracement. Now you're gonna say, okay, but from 18, drop like 18 cents. Okay, so I don't know. My stop right now is 2 cents under the entry. And sound, guys, really good. Let's see around 19 if we can get the partial, just because it's around numbers. It's going to give us a good. So we started at 40. We add over the 55. So the stop was like 20 cents. Okay, now it's good. Now we're 40 cents. Exactly, double from the first entry. MU, guys, we're like an orchestra, guys. Everything is tuned. Okay, MU. Let's see a few more cents. Partial, really good partial, 2.5 points. Yeah, full size. Tesla, I'm out. Unfortunately, I reduced, but I'm out. Yeah, didn't supply. Okay, I'm taking a partial in MU. So partial MU, partial CSK, sound. I want to see if we can get, what was the high? 80. I want another like 15 cents. Okay, that's a good ball. You're taking some of this trade, guys. I didn't have time to see you. MU? Yeah, I'm taking half. Yeah, it's a good half. Yeah, it's a good
Amir,
half. Yeah,
they are busy with taking profits.
I don't care. But I want them to ask a question. Hopefully they're taking profits.
I'm just listening to Trump at the moment. Of course, he's praising himself and
Tara, it's exactly
how
trade
good
for you,
everything it is.
CLSK, Tara. You like to trade with a knife in your teeth, no?
Hmm.
Fast and furious. Yeah, that was a really quick trade, really. You
Nice,
took
and
BBI. Ah, I
nice,
missed the
Charlie.
BBI. Yeah, really good trade. Yeah, that
Yep,
was a
that
good
was
trade.
beautiful.
And sound and MU. Yeah, sounds amazing. Yeah. Now we need to relax a little bit. Sometimes you need to go your limits and relax a little bit. So you need to see that you know everything, what everything happened, and I'm relaxing now. Maybe we can look for small cap, huh? Let's see, I'm just gonna quick go to my small caps and see if I can see something. Yeah,
And Amir is still pushing. Nice.
yeah, MU. Second partial. I don't know if it's second partial, but let's watch the. Let's see if you can see my chart. No, you don't. But definitely, just watch MU the daily. So the daily we have some here high like 70.50. That's the area 70.40 something. I want to see if we can get to the next area of the partial. How does it look on 15 minutes? That's the time that we can actually start. Look at 15 minutes. Just beautiful. Definitely we can raise
Mm.
our stop around here under 160. What is this here? 67, something like this. Looks beautiful in 5 minutes, in 15 minutes. Sound, guys. We're getting to the partial area. 88. Let's see if we can get more. Okay, sound, guys. Boom. Partial. Really good. Almost 60 cents. Partial. So in order. Really good. Stop under the 50. Yep. That's beautiful. Open, guys. Again. Game plan open. 750. Okay, guys, we're getting 750. Everything happened, guys. Today, lots of things. Open. Okay, my game plan. I'm gonna add a lot, and my stop gonna be 10 cents for the ad in open. Under 750. Okay, boom. In. A little bit more than full position. I added a little bit more than what I had. Okay. 742, 7. I'm watching it, watching it, watching it, watch it. Let's see the volume. Good volume. Okay. I'm not gonna give it now. If it's coming back 753, I'm reducing. Yeah, it has to move immediately. I'm not starting to play 740. So we need to break the 740. Love the volume. Look at the volume here. I think it's the biggest volume like it was on the opening, which I love it. Okay, we have 9 seconds to finish this 2 minutes, and I want to see it on the 5 minutes here. Yeah, definitely. Look at the big size of the candle. Right now, almost the first one. Okay, now we need to break the 740.
Okay, 104.35. I'm out of TQQQ traders, and this is going to be my last trade, I think.
No, Agi, it's only 40 minutes. We're only 50 minutes in. Wow, it looks much more today, huh?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, wow. I see the time. Wow.
Amazing.
Yeah, sometimes it's really. Sometimes the time is not passing, sometimes it's. Okay, open, guys. Still lots of share. The candle that we got that broke, you know how many shares was in this 5 minute shares? Almost 6 million shares, guys. Okay? So except yours 1 million shares, there was another 5 million, guys. 6 million shares. I think it's, yeah, it's half of the first 5 minute bar, so it's good. I like it because there was a big 5 minute candle and then side move, side move, side move between a range of 790 to 750. Now we broke it and I want to see the 740. Thinking it's on. Yeah, if it was a good day, we're happy. I'm still waiting for the open.
Shana Tova Nitzan.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the open. I'm just watching it and we need to see it. Agi, put one of the open chart in 5 minutes.
I
I
do.
want to. Okay.
I was just watching this beautiful sound hound, but here we are with the
Oh,
open.
okay.
Ooh, wow.
Okay. Thank you.
Good.
Yeah, if we break in the 740, it's doing. And there is a struggle here. Okay, 751, 2. 753, I'm going to reduce. But still, it's like a nice bear flag here. Yeah, it looks good in 5 minutes. It's not happened a lot, but sometimes, there was some few trades today with a really small stop. And if you size it correctly, you can get good results. Because usually, the Tesla and even MU, like 50 cents in MU, it's not a big stop. Mm. Sound was 20 cents, CLSK was 13. The open trades, really, they also, really, it's not happen a lot. And today it was happening in few trades. Again, if you size correctly, that's the key. That has meaning because if you traded the same with this. Okay, guys, new low open. Wow. Okay, 736. I want to see if we can get to the 7. I want to see the push. You took open, guys, and if not, you added under 50, guys. Oh yeah, look at this, 736. Just watching it, just watching the volume increase. Wow, look at open, Aggie. Really nice
Doing
capitulation, huh?
fantastic. Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. And you're gonna short that stock today.
You know what? I'm just sorry. I'm so quiet, guys, but I'm just listening to Trump, and I must
I'm
tell you,
talking
it's
for both of us, Aggie. Believe me.
no, I just can't believe what he's saying. Like, okay, market is up insanely, and he made everything good. Biden just fucked up everything.
Ruin everything, yeah, of
Yes,
course. He doesn't leave that guy alone, huh?
come on,
Doesn't
go
leave
to the
that guy.
grocery.
Yeah.
Go to the grocery. Like, okay, you are saying everything is good, but it's not good. It's still not good. So, as an economist, I don't like. I don't like what I hear. Actually, it's going to be a big problem, guys, in some months, I would say. Mark my words. Let's see. But so far, he's still pushing the market.
Yeah.
Of course. Yes, it will, John. Thank you for the support. No, I don't want myself to be right, actually, but this is something is brewing which is not right, I would say.
Wow, look at Tesla, Agi. Wow.
Yeah, it's
Look at
just
Tesla.
dropping.
Wow.
But now look at NVIDIA and the
Yeah,
Apple.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
They're
yeah,
just going to
yeah.
save the market again, I guess.
I'm watching the Nvidia. Yeah, I like it. I think it's gonna be somewhere there. It's gonna be one. Yeah, but it's really drop everything from the. It's really tough. I don't know with Nvidia. 181. I don't know.
You need trading stops. John, wow, okay. I don't have 401k, but I see what you mean. So now I guess market is going to shoot up again, traders. Be careful with the shorts if you have any. I'm going to be out again 104.35, which is still a small winner for me on the second trade as well.
Buzen, I don't know if I would long Oklo. Oklo is still 1% down. I see it's on the 9, but I see the a little bit 140, 40. There is the close of yesterday. I don't know. It has the formation, but I prefer to long, if that was a little bit lower and we have some more space towards the close. The risk reward, at least for me, is not the best. Agi, what do you think about 180.80 with NVIDIA? You think the volume will
I think
come?
it's going to be, yeah, and another new all-time high day, guys, soon. It's just
Let's do NVIDIA, guys.
just an
180.80
incredibly
and
strong
50
message
cent stop.
from
Yeah,
from
50,
Trump
60
again.
cent stop. Yeah.
Yes, Humble Ninja, I know that Bostich is speaking as well, but I don't think so. It's going to, this speech is going to overshadow Trump, but let's see. I'm almost out of TQQQ, and Trump is still speaking. Now he turned to tariffs. Now this is going to be more interesting as well, I would say.
Still waiting for Nvidia. Hmm. I'm thinking about Oracle shorting it. You know what? I'm gonna do it half position. 312.50 a dollar stop with Oracle. I'm gonna write you Oracle under 312.50 dollar stop half position. Okay.
He's
Okay.
still speaking, by the way. I'm just telling you.
Nvidia is not ready, so right
Mm.
now no trigger yet. Still sound and CLSK. My stop is under the entry, which basically I'm not there anymore. No, I did 88, so I'm out. CLSK. It's good. There was 3/4 partial and stop under the entry. Sound looking good. Got to 53. My stop was under the 50, which is totally okay. Oracle is getting towards. What I'm going to do is Oracle is half 312.50 and under 312. I'm going to add full position. Okay. Oracle is in.
Mm. Market is still not reacting that much, actually. Like you see Apple pulled back to the highs but rejected, Nvidia too. I don't know. It's
No,
weird. And SPY on
they
the
look.
lows.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
Mm.
Oracle 50. I want to see the ask breaking.
I
It's open
like
sometimes
Oracle.
spreads. Yeah, yeah. So okay, full position Oracle.
Good.
Very nice. Okay, now I like the spreads. The low of the day is 310. Let's go there. So if now the SPY is breaking the low, which for us is a good wind. Yeah, it's a good timing. It's gonna help us. And
He's just bringing up London again. He really don't like the minister there.
Okay, the bid 311.50. I want to see Oracle first breaking the bid, then the ask. Looking good. What's the volume? Guys, sound revenue high. We broke the 19. Yeah, probably towards 50. Take the parcel there. Wow, guys, we broke Oracle really good. First entry, we are 1 point. Okay. MU stop gonna be 67.80, something like this. I want to give a little bit space under 68, but our time frame. I zoom into 2 minutes. Yeah, the five. I saw something in the five, but sometimes if I see something, and this is why we started 312.50, and I added under 312 because in 2 minutes sometimes it was really clear. Because the range at this time I will be happy to see it or even on 15, but yeah, in 15 it was okay, but it didn't give me any something. So sometimes you can actually use variety, and sometimes this is why I like to do start a position and then add after. I see something, I don't want to wait, for example, for 312, so I start at 312.50 and then I'm adding. Same thing, the opposite. If I need to reduce, I don't have problem to reduce and then add back. How was your day today, guys? How
Wow.
you're
Sorry,
happy
Amir.
for your performance? No, it's fine, Agi.
I hope so they are. I just, you know what? I thought I can speak a lot, but I think Trump just won. He's still speaking.
He like to speak.
Yeah, I'm out of TQQQ.
He like the attention also, that everybody is looking at him. And
Of course.
what did you trade, John? That you're small red. What did you do good? What you can do better, if you don't mind to share?
Yeah,
And
we can learn a
you
lot
mess
from
up
it.
on Oklo and made up for it on your other trades. Okay. What did you mess in Oklo? And that's the key, if you have a system with the risk management, in a nice English, you can fuck up a trade, but then, like I started with 1.5 losses today, and after that it just got better. So bad entries, learn from that. Go to the screen, do a shot of the screen and see. How do you enter, Charlie? You put a stop limit. You use a market. What kind of system do you have? Holo, Nvidia, and Oracle. Okay. You chase. Yeah, that's the one thing you can't. You don't. That's what you say for guys and girls. You don't
Mhm.
chase boys or girls, correct? Because then they're not gonna want you. Okay. So that's exactly like in stocks. You don't chase them. Yeah. In this
What a
case, they're
wise
gonna take your
advice.
money. Yeah. 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 You don't
I like
chase.
that. Yeah,
Yeah.
don't chase.
Don't chase. Nobody. Don't
You're not
chase.
chasing boys, girls, and
Yeah.
stocks. That's it.
Boys, girls, whatever. Today, it's a word that
Oh my
everything is
goodness, I'm,
happening.
I'm going to steal that, Amir. I'm
Yeah,
really.
boys can be turned
You
to
see,
girls and
Charlie, you
this.
see. Which
Yeah,
one
and
did you?
girls.
This is the
Yeah,
question.
and girls can be boys. Everything is open-minded. We had a friend that he had a girl, and you could see that she's locked. She was like everything fucked up in her mind, really, because she was not in the right place. No, then
Oh,
she turned to be like a boy, and then she's blossom. He is blossom, really. He's so smart and he's doing amazing stuff. And we
nice.
met him, and he looked comfortable. So yeah, sometimes you need to do what you have to do. Yeah.
My goodness, guys.
See, we have conversation on every subject, guys. We are open-minded. Yeah,
Exactly. That's for sure.
yeah,
Traders
we are.
needs to be open-minded.
Yeah, resilient mindsets. This is the key. Yeah. You chase is too much. Okay, don't, Charlie. Don't chase. Don't chase. I know. Sometimes you have a plan. It's like my BBAI and what was the other one? No, CLSK. We actually did it after. Yeah, BBAI did an amazing job. You think I didn't want to take the screen and throw it on the wall? Yeah, but what can I do? I have to.
Hmm.
Sometimes you have to watch. Like we did in CLSK, we nailed it. Look at CLSK now. It's so
Yeah,
low,
just gave back.
but
Hmm.
we actually did like almost 1 to 3 there,
Yeah.
3 quarters, and so that's a trade. If you chase a bull on a bird, they can turn on you. Everybody can turn on you again, not just bull and bears. Every
But
human being.
yeah, they can be quite harmful. A bull or a bear. Oh my God, I met with a bear only once in my life. It was in Slovenia. We just made a mountain hike, the Tree Glove. I don't know if you know that. It's a really quite of over 3,000 meters, like via ferrata and so on.
You
It's
did
really
you
good.
did it with the kids?
No, no,
Yeah,
Amir,
yeah.
before the
Yeah.
kids, when I was young.
Before the counting, when you were two
Yeah.
lovers. Yeah, Two lovers, young lovers with no kids on the horizon. Yeah,
Exactly. So
yeah.
indeed, when we just get back to the car, I just seen a bear. Like he was on the top of a hill, and he was just staring at us. And I was not doing anything else, just not. I was not running, we just went really, really fast. And we saw the car, and I just told my boyfriend then that, okay, I just saw a bear. It was
Yeah,
quite
you should not
scary.
run. You should make yourself bigger, Agi. You're small, but you have to make yourself bigger and shout.
How?
Open your
Yeah, of
arms,
course.
and I saw a lot of bears, in
Oh,
Alaska.
really? Oh, yeah, in Alaska,
Yes,
that's.
no, in Alaska, and even when we were, where were we? Last year, we went to the Smoky Mountain, so we saw
Ooh,
bears,
wow.
and yeah, I don't think we are.
Fun.
It's not the bears that you see on the movies, that are running. Those bears, I think they're used to the people and they do whatever they do, and we don't bother them. As long as
Yeah.
you're not coming and poke their nose, then it's a problem. But if you
Mm.
don't do it, yeah.
Hmm.
Did I see a bull? I didn't see a bull, but I think
And
no, no,
I'm in
Agi,
Spain. I'm in
Agi, no,
Spain.
Agi.
I'm
I
sure I
think it's
will.
not allowed. I think it's not allowed anymore. No, Agi.
It is
The
in
bull.
Pampona. It is.
It's
And they are
still.
killing the bull at the end.
I know. Really? It's still. Well.
It is.
Wow.
So
Yeah, it's
it's not for my
ridiculous.
kids, definitely.
No, definitely not. It's not for everybody. Even I'm,
No. I could not watch
open-minded,
it.
but this seems to me really
No,
like
it's too. No,
really
it's a
nuts.
tradition. I accept it,
Okay,
It's
it's a tradition also to hit yourself, and it's a traditional to do bad things. So what?
yeah, my
Sometimes.
friends, they were just talking about this last time, and I was asking, these toreadors and everything, and they
Guys,
told that yes,
Oracle,
they saw it.
$1.50, guys. Not
Yeah,
partial yet,
T4
but
checking.
let's see. It's looking good. What we can do right now, that's what I do. I didn't take any partial, but definitely we can load the stop 313. So it's gonna be like 50 cents. Okay, so I'm trying to see if we can get, and here because we're getting towards the lunch, I'm gonna take three
Yeah.
quarter. Yeah, definitely. Guys, look at sound. Wow, Aggie, look at sound. We're almost $1 there.
Don't
So
even mention it. It was my second swing, and I get out on 16. I'm so angry at myself. I bought it at $9, 8, something like that.
why did you get out of the swing? You know,
I don't know.
you
I
usually
don't know.
in those situations I put the stop in the low of the day.
Yeah, I was just like, it's just a bit stretched. Market is stretched. Let's just go out. That was a
Mm.
mistake. Apple is plunging, guys. Apple and Nvidia is plunging. So I must tell you, I was just listening to Trump. He's still talking, but he tried really good to push up this market again, but seems like he's a little bit rusty now.
What are you asking, Basil? Have you partial half? No, no, I didn't. Nothing. No, no, no. Um, no, I didn't. Basically, you can take a partial. We are almost like dollar something. I'm going to tell you what I did in Ravindra sorry, open. So and I said that like I added under 750 here. So I did one twice. I took a portion and I saw it. The ad for the it's 10 cents. So whether you take the partial or not, the stop for this ad was 760 because let me put you here, the pre-mark. Agi, can you put my screen?
Yeah, I tried.
If
Anyway,
it's not problem.
unfortunately I need
Yeah.
to leave now.
Okay, so you
Oof,
can leave my
that's
screen and I will.
I'm trying. Bottom. Okay, and this, I'm just going to get it here. Yes, it's
It's
now it's
coming.
your
Okay.
screen.
Yeah, yeah, thank you. Good. So,
Okay.
look at open. When it broke 750, what you see here in the grades, the pre-market, that was the low of the pre-market, 757. I thought because we are breaking this level here, we can actually go. Buyers came here. So basically, after taking partial here, 760, I did out all the part of the ad. And here, usually I use the view up. I took out 770. I'm out of all the trade. Um, okay. And Oracle is still looking good. Look at Oracle. Low high, low high. Look at the 9 EMA. I'm really fan of the 9 EMA. Look at the 9 EMA, how we respect and actually give a good resistance. And this is the 310, the low. We can take a partial here, if it's going to break that level here, I'm going to take something. But there is a lot of opportunity here. And sound, you remember where I said I have
Amazing.
1945, I have some order waiting for taking another partial, and definitely my stop right now, maybe 1875 under. Um, so you see, when you see something, and I like to relate, to those nine and the view up, there's places that when you can see the power and you can see the big volume. You see what I'm saying? Let's see. Ah, you don't see because sound is exactly. Let me put sound here because my picture is already there, so you don't see it. So when you see the big resist, the big buyers and everything, you can see how the nine it's relate. You just don't go. There was a good move, retracement. You can make your stop, raise it here. Now probably around here, and on the other side, that was our trade in CLSK. Okay, let me put it here. You You just can't have a better. The nine is broken, the view up. You have three bars, good support of the view up, good risk reward from here to here. Boom, nail it. Three quarters out. After that, who cares? So sometimes you have a faster, and sometimes you need to try to move a little bit. Okay, guys, Oracle. Okay, we are $1.50. 311
Um,
and good question, guys. You can ask. I'm still going to be here like another maybe 15, 20 minutes, so definitely we can use it.
Thank you,
No,
Amir.
Yeah,
I'm
CLSK
just
now.
saying
No,
bye, goodbye, guys. Have a great
bye,
green at the
Agi.
end and see you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. No. CLSK is done for me. Look at CLSK here was relating to the VWAP, relating to the 9. It broke everything. CLSK, it's still strong, but it's weak. You see, it's under the VWAP. No. This is not something I would think about long. Uh, Finish. Make sense, Buzang? But MU is still okay. I'm still there. Stop gonna be around here. And look at MU. MU is in 15 minutes. Okay? And looking good. One, two, three, really good, strong. The correction here is for the side. It's not even correcting so much down. And stop is here, and who knows? Add in under 311. Okay, where is your stop? Okay, let's don't just jump. Let's think about it. You want to add 11. Okay, where is your stop? Okay. Okay, it can go 37. It can go to 300. Again, we can dream, Buzak, but we have to be realistic. Realistic is for me, that's a key, the 310. If you add 311, definitely your stop has to be around here. So it's almost 2 points. No. 312 is nothing because it can correct to the 9 EMA and kick you out. So if you want to do a technical, it's 313. So you're willing to take a $2 stop, and your next resistance is $1. For me, it's not a good resist. It's not a good risk reward. So I would hold uh, what I have again. My opinion. Yeah, it's not. What about Rigetti now you're in Q? Wow, Rigetti. I added already. Will reduce close to three. Yeah, I will take even 3/4. Yeah, definitely. Just because of the time. And definitely I'm gonna put my stop around here. 312.80. Something like this. More question, guys. I think from the question everybody can learn. No, humble. Agi was fine, Sometimes, you don't have to take. You don't have to talk all the time. Yeah, I'm saying that, huh? But yeah, if you don't have nothing to say or to share or to discuss, she doesn't need to be. She doesn't need to entertain. So it's totally fine. She's totally fine. Did we break 11? Let's see with Oracle. Yeah, we broke like 20 cents. Okay. Guys, I can't write to you, but I want you to. This is my YouTube channel, and I just posted. I'm posting a lot of lectures and trading that I did. You can subscribe and actually go to my. This is like this is my last one that I did, and that's what I told you on Rigetti and IO and Q. And definitely, it's usually I don't have patience to even to myself, so it's pretty small, not maybe a few minutes, but definitely you can go and scroll down. There is an old one that I did all kind of sessions, and just for your knowledge, if you want to, just look for Amir Barak and. Look at Gemini, guys. You remember Gemini is another IPO from a few days ago. Wow, look at this. Tomorrow, definitely put it on your radar. Look what's going on there. Wow. Thank you, Evan. Thank you. Yeah, definitely. No, it's humble. I don't know if it's mentioned or not, but I told you like this is, for example, BSLH. You remember some guys in the room was mention it, and again, this was a really hot IPO, and I told you I have a list that I'm watching. I got here for a swing. See, there was a good, but definitely look at this area here above 85. High of the day, high of the stock is 1618. Um, even Palantir, Facebook, all of them started IPO, went down, broke the low, blah blah blah, and then did. So definitely, I have a list. So all the IPOs are there, and I'm watching them. 73, 78. Let me see. IONQ. Oh, it's a good trigger. Wow, yeah, it's a good trigger with a good risk reward. Really nice. Really nice. I think we wanted to do it earlier, 74, and it didn't get. I forgot about it. Yeah. What's QUBT doing? QUBT. Trying to see if we can see any. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you which one I am. Give me a second. This one. I was there, um, and I wanted even to add. So I got here on VKTX. I'm gonna add here BLSH. See, I have even orders waiting. BLSH I got, and I'm gonna add even here. What else I had? I had. I'm waiting for Lulu. You know, just a second. I'm waiting for Lulu above here. And so I'm waiting above entry to the VWAP, entry to the gap. Uh, I missed. I think I had to get somewhere around here, and except that, no. MU also is out. Sound is also out. I'm watching the Oracle now. If I see again it's not breaking here, I'm gonna take a partial 318 and make my stop around 312.80. Yeah, I took a partial. Took a partial in Oracle. What I see is one, two, three, four times it's holding that level, and yeah, definitely. It's $1.50 and it's fine. I took 3/4. Stop is around here. Yeah, what I'm doing also, Tara, major stocks like um, after earning, if I see a big gap up or down, and I'm, famous stock stuff like this, I'm putting them on the list. And then I'm watching them to see, bounce. That's what I did. For example, if we're talking about MU, uh, let's go fell. Um, I and before previous earning I got out, but this is the area where I took, for example, MU, and I got it all the way till here, 90 something, and then I left small part, and I think before the earning I got out. But yeah, definitely there was a big drop, and yeah, you can get a really good opportunity. You need to be organized. Earning or something. You need to put. I have a lot of watch lists, like so. Except for every sector. Sometimes I can have for IPO, for small cap, for something to follow, and then it helps me. Wow, your trading IONQ is beautiful. Very nice. Very nice. Really nice. Yeah, why not? Ask me. Yeah, that's the key. Not that. At least for where I'm seeing it, the purpose of the room is not just to give you triggers, definitely to share with you thoughts and the way I learn from you things sometimes. Yeah. Um, if I had to do something back the way I'm trading, definitely I had to look for partners but it's problem, if you're working, in a proper trading, like a company that doing trading, you can. That's amazing. Again, if there's so many fake, how do you call it, proprietary traders company. Some of them just wants to take your money, and some actually invest in you, like in SMB Capital. And then you're surrounded by trader and surrounded by atmosphere of trading. You can learn like there's no tomorrow. I fortunately didn't have these kind of things. So it's a problem. Thoughts on BETR? Let's see. You could see very clear that very low high. It started strong, but definitely it's BETR. Let me see information. Give me a second. Did you trade it, Bozang? I don't know really what to do with that one. Definitely, it's more to the short, but I don't see really a short position there. Yesterday, let me see yesterday, just a second. Did you short it? You short it? Hmm. Oh, you did a halt. Whoa. Hmm. Not easy one to do. Clifton, what's up? Okay, guys. Um, thank you again. Go to check my channel. You can see all kind of things that I did, and gonna see you on Thursday. Okay, thank you. It was a good day. Interested. Lot of things, checks in favor. Some were not in favor, but yeah, I think we handle everything pretty okay. And the guys are doing the IONQ looking amazing. Really amazing trade. Oracle, some after partial stop like 312.80. Hopefully we can get to 310. Okay. Thank you guys. Bye.